we'll guide you through how to fix common Gmail issues. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com to access Gmail. If you're experiencing issues like emails not loading or the interface not displaying correctly, the first thing you should try is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This often resolves many loading problems. To do this, go to your browser's settings. In Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings, then Privacy and Security, and finally click Clear Browsing Data. Choose the option for cached images and files and cookies and other site data, then click Clear Data. After that, refresh your Gmail page to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still having trouble, check if you're using any browser extensions that could be interfering. You can disable extensions by going to More Tools and then Extensions in Chrome. Toggle off any extensions you suspect might be causing issues and refresh Gmail again. Another common problem is that Gmail might not be receiving new emails. In this case, ensure your internet connection is stable and try logging out and logging back into your account. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Sign Out. Then log back in with your credentials. If the problem persists, check your Gmail storage. If your account is near its storage limit, you may need to delete old emails or increase your storage capacity. Lastly, if you're still facing issues, consider using a different browser or updating your current one to the latest version, as outdated browsers can sometimes cause compatibility problems. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.